Hello beauties, welcome again to our channel. You all are welcome again to this channel. If it's the first time, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let me know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you watching. Today we have beautiful short hairstyles for beautiful black women. Your girl here has highlighted about 60 beautiful short hairstyles. Just check it out and let me know your mind in the comment section below. Please watch to the end of this video, for these styles are incredibly beautiful. And always hit the notification bell to be notified. Subscribe if it's the first time. Also, thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for really staying locked to your girl, and see you guys at the end of the video.
Today we are impressed at how beautiful, gorgeous and cute, even versatile short hairstyles can be. You can see the styles. These are beautiful styles for African American women whose hair is naturally thick and dense. Some women simply just start the blooming with short hairstyles, while the longer hair really makes them ordinary. But if you haven't found your perfect short hairstyles, or maybe you are still kind of looking for new variations, if you really don't know how to style your short hair for the coming party or for work so that it looks chic, here in Wendy Styles we have our beautiful inspiration in videos and in pictures on how you can achieve beautiful teeny weeny afro kind of hairstyles. These are curly short haircuts for beautiful matured women. You can see most of them comes as twirl, most of them comes as the tapered haircut. You can see it, even the boys cut, you can see it for yourself, and some as a body, but giving that kind of inspirational ideas on the kind of hairstyle for your next big chop. So this hairstyle is really feminine, is a low maintenance hairstyle that will really make it look sexy and beautiful. So practically every woman at least once dares to try this kind of shorter haircuts, because a beautiful short hairstyle begins from the correct choice of a short haircut, optimal for you personally. Just have in mind that short haircuts really tend to highlight the shape of your face and your facial features, especially the eyes. So that's why it wouldn't be appropriate to claim that short hairstyles suit everyone, because you can boast of your beautiful healthy skin and oval face. You will be a goddess with this kind of literally any short hairstyle, starting from this extremely short beautiful haircut we have today for you. I'm wishing everyone a happy weekend. So if you really believe you have something to conceal, you should be more excited about the choice of the right short haircut. So just in case your face shape is not as perfect as you would like, you can still correct it even with a short hairstyle, because this kind of hairstyles, you can see it comes with different faces. You can see this round face, we kind of benefit from those hairstyles, some with this kind of volume on top and thin side. Even the oblong faces, on the contrary, also require volume on the sides. This kind of hairstyle, the waist work very good, and you're kind of having that bangs or blonde cut or slanting if you wish. So don't mind the noise in my background. Just watch those beautiful hairstyles I have for you guys, and I'm wishing everyone a blessed new week. Thank you so much, and see you at the end of the video.
And if I had to People love me and the fans adore me, my super story. I'm standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know my name, 'cause I burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know my name, and I'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. The wishes where hers is it too much? Yeah. Should be on my body, me, moto, dansa, kati, sasa. Should be on my body, me. I'm all by my shoujo, I'm all by my foya, I'm all by me. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire, a billionaire. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire. And if I had to do this all again, I wouldn't change anything. People love me and the fans adore me, my super story. I'm standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know my name, 'cause I burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know my name, and I'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. The wishes where hers is it too much? Yeah. Should be on my body, me, moto, dansa, kati, sasa. Should be on my body, me. I'm all by my shoujo, I'm all by my foya, I'm all by me. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire, a billionaire. I'm gonna be a billionaire, a billionaire. And if I had to do this all again, I wouldn't change anything. People love me and the fans adore me, my super story. I'm standing in the Hall of Fame. Ooh, and the world's gonna know my name, 'cause I burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know my name, and I'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. I'm gonna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. The wishes where hers is it too much? Yeah. Should be on my body, me, moto, dansa, kati, sasa.
Wow, what a great style. I love them so much. I know you love them. God bless you and see you in my next video.